This right here is my bathroom sink, and this is a GFI. Don't believe me? Check it out. I've gotten so many comments on my bathroom videos saying that I should have a GFI or a GFCI next to the sink. By the way, those two terms are the same thing: ground fault interrupter and ground fault circuit interrupter. They mean the same thing. Interchangeable. I've gotten those comments over and over again. That's why I wanted to make this video, so I could let you know that that is actually a GFI, and I can prove it by showing you the panel right here. Any of these breakers that have this little test button right here, these are all ground fault circuit breakers. And in fact, they are ground fault / arc fault circuit breakers. And arc fault is a little different. It has a little more technology in it. Don't know exactly how it works, but that's more for if, say, you shoot a nail into a wire or the temperature rises just a little bit, but not a lot. That will trip the breaker, and it's just great for safety, especially in a bathroom like that. And that's what the GFI is for. If water splashes up there, it lowers the risk of electrical shock. And it is code. In that situation, it's because of water being so close to that outlet. In some states, you can't just get away with having a breaker in your panel. You will have to actually have an outlet that is a GFI. But in my state of Massachusetts, you can just have a breaker, and that will trip within 1/40th of a second or something like that, really quickly, and it'll be nice and safe, and it will make that outlet a GFI. Before they started this code, I didn't know, so I'm not surprised that other people don't know. So if you didn't know, hopefully this video helped you out, you enjoyed it, and you learned something. Thanks for watching.